Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another unboxing video. It's been a little while since I've done one of these. So I've been gone for a while, but a lot has changed. As you guys can see, my background is different. I actually moved. I moved into, like, in the new year, I moved to a new place. I got a new dog. Hi, Luli. I rescued a dog. And yeah, I've just been really busy. I've had a lot of clients, so I just really haven't had time to make new videos or buy new things. As you guys saw in my last haul, I had so much stuff. So I actually ended up buying some new stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox. The first thing I'm gonna unbox is something that is going to be very helpful in my recording, and it's probably gonna motivate me to make more videos. It's a box in a box. So I got my 10-inch LED ring light, and I got this off Amazon for about $35. I'm gonna have this in the description down below. Ooh, it's a cute size. So it's the XP 10-inch ring light. I don't know how to pronounce that. It had really good reviews, so I decided to go ahead and get it. The thing that I like the most about it is that it has 3 color temperature as well as 10 different brightness settings. What else? It's also powered by a USB cord, which is pretty convenient. And another thing, it comes with a bunch of adaptable parts, so you can either put your camera on there or your cell phone or whatever. I'm going to show you what it comes with. So the first thing, it comes with a tripod, which I'm very happy about, and it also extends. The really cool thing about this is that you could take out this middle piece and it becomes a selfie stick. So I don't really know how to do it right now. Should I figure it out? Let's see. So it just screws out, and you can take it all the way out, I believe. There it goes. And it doubles as a selfie stick. Put your camera on there and it extends pretty far. Jeez, that's long. Oh my gosh, look at how long this is. So yeah, it's also a selfie stick, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited to use that. Okay. So next is the actual ring light, which is a really good size, especially for my small channel. And because I'm doing nails, I don't really need a huge one. This is how big it is in comparison to my head. It's a really good size. So here is the USB portion of it, and then it also has the remote. Okay, so on this remote, there's a bunch of different settings. What do you have? You have the power. There's 10 different light settings, so I'm sure that's what controls these, and I'm sure this controls the brightness, so that's that. If you can see, there's a little groove right here, and that's for the 3 adaptable pieces that it comes with. As I stated, these are really good for either your camera or your cell phone, whatever you want to hook up to it. It just comes with 3 different adapters. So I personally like to use this one. This is the one that I'm actually familiar with. And then we have this one. Correction, this piece actually attaches to the ring light and then attaches to the tripod. This will allow the ring light to move up and down, side to side, whatever. Which is similar, but I think it's more durable for heavier cameras. It'll focus. And then the last one is this one, which is for cell phones. So it expands like this. You put your cell phone in, and then you screw it on to the adapter, which is this one or the other one. They're the same thing. But yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and yeah, you guys can watch, I guess. I don't know, let's do it. So I'm going to show you, just for example, how to use the cell phone adapter if you're interested in buying this. I'm only going to be using this with my camera, so yeah, that's that. So if I use my phone, it just snaps in like that. So that's what we have. I'm gonna plug this into my laptop just so we can see what it looks like when it's lit. Let's go ahead and power on. Oh my god, that's pretty bright. That just blinded me. Okay. Okay, this is the dimmer. So it's dimming. I don't know if you guys can see it dimming, but it did dim. And then it gets brighter. And then you can change the heat setting. That's cool. That's probably warm, and that's a mixture of both. So cool, warm, and a mixture of both. So really quickly, I'm just gonna show you guys how my face looks in the different settings. So that's nice, I like it. We're gonna dim it. That's dim, the most dim. This is the brightest. I'd like it at maybe a 6 or 5. And then the different temperatures, this is cool, this is warm, and this is neutral. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will have everything linked down below. Thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.